There's one here, but another place they can leak is right in here, right? That other seal,
Oh, okay.
right?
I started to learn how to ride a motorcycle pretty recently.
You got one going one way, one keeps the oil in.
I want to get started into the industry. I had a lot of fun just kind of tinkering around with it.
And then where's the other one? I think the people that really like this program and do well are people that like working with their hands, like troubleshooting stuff. Have always tinkered with stuff from day one. That's where the exhaust, the program's written in such a way that if they've never picked up a wrench, we can still work with them and get them the skills to get a job. And we put a vacuum to it to make sure that the water don't come in. We try to give them a little bit of lecture time, maybe hour, hour and a half, and then the rest of the time we tend to try to put them out in the lab. Okay, Craig, you're on over here, and so's Blue. And there's a lot of different projects they have to do, like take apart a motorcycle engine, put it back together, take apart a power head for an outboard, put it back together.
A lot about electronics, hydraulics, pretty much anything with gears that take oil. I done took apart and put back together in here.
From the inboard motors, outboard motors, the different boats, motorcycles, and to be able to apply what we learned in the classroom out here in the lab really gives a better understanding for me personally.
I try to make it so that the skills that they do in the lab are the same things they're going to see at their employer. So there's pretty good carryover that way. Yeah, and then it should go to that stud right there, and there's that. It's a short time, we got to cover a lot of stuff, so when they get out, they're basically a beginning technician. So with the MOP program, in about a year, you'd have the skills to go out there and get a beginning job at a motorcycle dealer, maybe a recreational sports dealer, marine dealers. We have people looking for employees even before they start school. So it's a good field to get into.
There's a lot of opportunities where I'm at right now. So with these certifications and tools that they're giving me, I'll be able to advance in my career, yeah.
I just wanted to use this as an opportunity to kind of get my foot in the door somewhere, just get into a position to where I can make this my career in the future.